Hey Jared, with Lakeview Window Cleaning. I don't know if you can tell, but this is a really dirty screen. It's a little bright out, but lots of dirt, lots of dust, maybe cobwebs or some sort of cotton. But the way we clean them, we have this screen cleaner. We'll just run them through it. What we're doing, we've got brushes to agitate it, water constantly moving through it. And we can tap off the excess of water. If it needs it again, we'll run it through. In this case, it is clean as the day it was made. It's really nice. Anyways, Lakeview Window Cleaning, 801-953-9275.